everyone. I hope you all are doing great and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make garlicky buttery broccoli stir fry. This is my favorite, and I also have shared buttery garlicky mushroom and everyone loves that video, so I'm sure you guys also going to enjoy this buttery garlicky broccoli video as well. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken 3 broccoli flower heads. So what I'm going to do is just cut off the extra stems of broccoli. So cut off extra broccoli stems like this, and then separate the florets. You can also clean this, take off the first layer and cut this finely and use it, but for this recipe purpose only I'm going to use the florets, broccoli florets. So chopping them into bite-sized pieces, but you don't want to cut them too small. So here all my broccoli florets are ready, and I'm just going to put that into this bowl. Just going to add all the broccoli in here. Now I'm going to clean this very well with the water, so I'm going to rinse it and drain it, and then I'll be right back. So here I just washed this broccoli florets with cold water, and now they're clean and ready to be cooked. Here I'm using this wide pan. Into this pan I will add water. Just this much is enough. Maybe 1/4 cup. In here I will add all my broccoli florets. On top of it, I will add a little bit of salt to taste. And then give it a quick stir. Like this. Cover it. So after covering it, just let it cook for a few minutes until it gets nice and soft. But after 2 minutes, I'm gonna open up and show you. And this is on a medium flame. Meanwhile, our broccoli cooking, we are going to finely chop our garlic cloves. I have taken 4 garlic cloves over here. It's been 2 minutes, so let's check. Two more minutes. I'm going to cook this. Alright, so it's been 2 more minutes. I'm gonna check the stem so you will know if you need to cook further. Because we want to still keep the crunch. We don't want to cook them completely, but now what I'm going to do is going to cook it uncovered. Alright, so I've been cooking since past 3 minutes uncovered, and now I'm going to take this off because our broccoli is ready. I'm going to take it out into this bowl. As you can see, all the water has evaporated and our broccoli is nice and dry. So last minute you want to put it on high flame or high setting of your gas stove or electric stove and burn all the moisture. And here is all my broccoli. I'm going to put it on the side for now, and we will prepare our butter garlic sauce. Into this pan I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Into this butter I will add my chopped garlic. garlic a bit. Don't burn it. So I'm going to add a little bit of more butter. So a tablespoon and maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of butter. And if you like spicy, you can add chili flakes. I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes, but if you want to skip, you can skip completely. And I'm going to add a bit of black pepper into this butter. Give it a good stir, and that's it. Our garlic is about to cook, so I'm going to add our broccoli in and cook it for a minute. Let this cook on high flame for about a minute. All done. Gonna turn off the stove. Our broccoli is all done cooking. Delicious garlic broccoli is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.